10 Chapter 12 Applications of Trigonometry Exercise 2 Fifth problem. Fifth problem. A wire of length 18 meter had been tied with an electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it was covering a long distance, it was cut and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees with the ground. How much length of the wire was cut? Here angle of elevation 60 degrees given and 30 degrees given. We should find length of the wire was cut. See, look at the figure. A wire of length 18 meter had been tied with the electric pole. Here tied with an electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Had been tied with electric pole at an angle of elevation 30 degrees with the ground. Because it's covering a long distance, therefore it was cut. Here somewhat wire cutted and tied at an angle of elevation 60 degrees. This is a cut wire. This we should find. Length of the wire was cut. Cutted. This length of the wire we should cut. To find this, we'll think this is x. So the first we'll find this, afterwards we'll subtract with the length of the wire 18 meters, so that we'll get this length of the wire was cutted. In Hindi एक इलेक्ट्रिक पोल है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोल को एक इलेक्ट्रिक वायर टाई करे तो ये डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हो रहा है, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 30 डिग्री से. क्या करें बोलते हैं, उसको निकाल कर दूसरे तरफ कट करके टाई करें. एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 60 डिग्री से आ रहा, ये कट करे ना, ये वायर की कितना वायर कट करे इसको ఫైండ్ అవుట్ करो बोल रहे हम लोग. ఒక ఎలక్ట్రిక్ పోల్ ఉంది, దానికి వైర్ ఉన్నది, ఆ వైర్ చాలా దూరంలో కట్టిల్లు. యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 30 డిగ్రీస్లో 18 మీటర్స్ వైర్, కానీ చాలా డిస్టెన్స్ దూరం ఉన్నదని తీసి దగ్గర కట్టిల్లు. దగ్గర కడితే యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్ 60 డిగ్రీస్ అయింది. ఈ కట్ చేసిన వైర్ ఎంతనో, కట్ చేసిన వైర్ లెంత్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నారు. నౌ దిస్ ఫార్మ్స్ right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle, this is another right angle triangle. Two right angle triangles I'll take and I'll prove the problem. See here, look at the figure. I am writing here A and here B and C. See here, actual length of the wire is 18 meters. Here height of the electric pole is H. Here angle of elevation is 30 degrees, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Here I write D, and here BD is equals to, I am taking A. Let BD is equals to A and CD is equals to B. Length of BC is equals to A plus B. Length of BC is equals to A plus B. Here AD is equals to, I am taking X. Now first I will take a triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Afterwards I will take a ABD. First I will by taking triangle ABC and I will prove the problem. Steps to write. Let the height of the pole AB is equal to H meters. Here height of the pole. Let the height of the pole AB is equal to H meters and actual length of the wire is 18 meters given there. Angle of elevations are 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Let AD is equal to X and BD is equal to A and CD is equal to B and BC is equal to A plus B. Look at the figure. Let the height of the pole is H, AB is equal to H and actual length of the wire AC is equal to 18 meters and let AD is equal to X and BD is equal to A, CD is equal to B and BC is equal to A plus B. Now we are taking a triangle ABC is a right angle at B. Therefore BC is equal to A plus B and AC is equal to 18 meters and AB is equal to H. Here ABC is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle at B. AC is the length of the wire 18 meters, B is the height of the pole and BC is equals to A plus B. Angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Here length of the longest side is called hypotenuse, AC is called hypotenuse. AC is called hypotenuse, whereas hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side, and adjacent B side is called opposite side, or else angle opposite side is called opposite side. Now we will take sin theta. Why? Because we want opposite side, therefore opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Sin 30 degrees is equals to sin 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sin 30 is equal 1 by 2. Sin 30 is equal 1 by 2, where opposite side is equals to AB. Opposite side is equals to AB, where hypotenuse is equal to AC. Hypotenuse is equals to AC. Now 1 by 2 is equals to AB. Here length of AB is equal to H, height of the pole, where AC is equals to length of the wire 18 meters, where by cross multiplication 2 into H is equal to 2H, 1 into 8 is equals to 18, where H is equals to these two right RHS side. These two RHS side writing means what happened? Multiplication quantity becomes division quantity by transposing 18 by these two, cancel by 2 table, 2 ones, 2 9s, therefore H is equals to 9 meters. Now by taking triangle ABD is a right angle triangle at B. Now see here, ABD is a right angle triangle at B. Here AD is equal, we are taking, let AD is equal to X and BD is equals to A, and height of the pole is equal to H. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Just now I said adjacent side, and another side is opposite side. Now when we want opposite side, therefore we will take sin theta. Sin theta is equal to sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse, sin 60 degrees, where theta is equals to 60 degrees. Sin 60 is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Now sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2 is equals to opposite side. What is opposite side? Opposite side is called H, and hypotenuse is equals to X. H is equal, we got the H value. Now we will find X value. To find X value we are taking sin. Now by cross multiplication, here X into root 3 root 3 into X will write. Root 3 into X is equals to 2 into H. Now X is equals to this root 3 right RHS side. Multiplication quantity becomes a division quantity. Just now I said 2 into H by root 3. Since H is equals to 9 meters proved above. Since H is equal to 9 meters proved above. In the place of H I am writing 9. Therefore X is equals to 2 into 9 by root 3. Now X is equals to 2 9s 18. 2 9s 18 by root 3. Now rationalizing with root 3, therefore X is equals to 18 into root 3 into multiplying and dividing by root 3. Rationalizing with nothing but multiplying and dividing by the denominator's value. X is equals to 18 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3 whole square, root 3 whole square. Now square root and square get cancelled. Here x is equals to 18, x is equals to 18 into root 3 by this 3, left over 3. Now cancel by 3 once, 3, 6. Now x is equals to 6 into root 3. X is equals to 6 into root 3. X is equals to 6 into x is equals to 6 into root 3. Therefore x is equals to 6 into root 3 value 1.732, 1.732. Now multiplying x is equals to 1.732 into 1.732 into 6 will multiply. X is equals to 1.732 into 6 will multiply. 6 2s 12, 6 3s 18, plus 1 19, and 6 7s 42, plus 1 43, 6 1 6 plus 4 10 is equals to 10 point. X is equals to, once again I'll write 392 meters. Therefore length of the wire cut off from the length of 18 meters is, total length of the wire is 18 meters minus we got one value, x value 10.392. we will subtract this value. What you will get, we'll see once. 18.000 and 10.39 and 2. Now we'll subtract, taking borrow 10 minus 2, here you will get 8 you will get, and next 9 minus 9 is 0, and 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now here 7 will remain, 7.608. Right here 18 minus 10.392 is equals to 7.608 meters. This is the length of the wire is removed or else cutted. Hence we proved.